thousand tons of advantages that the digital platform presents you today. But at the same time, it comes with a great disadvantage of emotional disconnect. How do you blend this? How do you make this happen? So the moment you attempt to displace the teacher, you are displacing the possible opening up of the child. But if you displace the digital platform, you are going to displace the opportunity for the child to learn so many things.
Self-learning is a learning approach where an independent learner identifies the learning needs, set the goals, find out the resources, and evaluate one's learning.